Yesterday, Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro not only signed a disaster declaration for Erie County, but also at the county's request, he called in the Pennsylvania National Guard. Our Logan Episcopo joins us now with more on the National Guard's focus and how they've been deployed around the area. Good evening, Logan.
Yeah, good evening, Caleb. While state police have responded to over 200 incidents since the storm began, the National Guard is here to step in and assist with stranded motorists and help move vehicles out of the way for plows to get through. Thank you to everybody that sent in pictures under our Facebook post to show the Pennsylvania National Guard in action. During Brenton Davis's news conference at noon today, he touched more in depth on how and where the National Guard's focus is going to be right now.
The wreckage and recovery, there's been some things, some heavy wreckers that weren't available. Pennsylvania National Guard stepped up with a crew with that. Some light troop carriers to be able to get folks evacuated from some of these wreckage scenes early on in the early evening and early times of these events. That's been critical, but really stepping up with the hotline and us being able to work through the emergency command center here and get the essential folks, the doctors, the nurses, you know, your healthcare workers, to keeping these hospitals manned so we don't see folks being forced over, you know, and really taking a beating during this time. So really it's a partnership with these agencies all around that made that possible.
And Brenton Davis is going to be having another news conference tomorrow at noon. We will have more coverage of that here on Erie News Now. But for now, live in the studio, Logan Episcopo, Erie News Now.